Happy Father's Day, my friend. I'm sorry I can't say that to you. Here at Geraldine, anyway, that's how we call the men in Africa. But don't have any kids.
Yo, make sure you see. Every day, I get a Lindy. You see, anytime you don't have no money to carry your picnic at school, they go walk past Happy Girl Lindy. You see, anytime you and your wife or baby mother in an argument and throw things about the house, they go walk past Happy Girl Lindy. You see, when the time comes for that little picnic at university and you have to fork up a $3.5 million, you see me, out a little taxi where you run across road, Happy Girl Lindy. You see, anytime you will see me in my markets or roll with a big batty girl and you have to run this with Keisha and the 30 people girl, Happy Girl Lindy. Me alright, we continue to be girl with, don't mind me.